welcome to our channel. If you're wondering how to watch IPTV on your laptop, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about the best provider, 2TV Store. Contact Nancy for support. IPTV lets you stream television content over the internet, providing access to numerous channels and shows on your laptop. Exploring IPTV is an exciting way to enhance your digital experience. First, ensure your internet connection is strong for streaming. Next, you'll need an IPTV app or player installed on your laptop. VLC is a popular and user-friendly option for starters. Once installed, configure your IPTV player with your subscription details from 2TV Store, enter the server URL and credentials you receive, and soon you'll access endless content. Explore different channels, adjust the settings to optimize your viewing experience, and enjoy high-quality streaming. Whether it's live TV or on demand, you're now plugged into IPTV. So there you have it, a seamless way to watch IPTV on your laptop. Stay subscribed for more tech tips, and don't forget Nancy's contact link in the description. Happy streaming!